Is here, so that when you pull, I'm not able to do that anymore. It's here. What's the best position? Pull, let go. Pull, let go. So even longer than that, pull, can you see? But there's nothing here. I don't have a second move to push him. So this here, now you start to see it mirrors my foot. Now do that. You did this before, but it wasn't accurate. When you are moving with your opponent, that's fine. If you do it by yourself, that's why I wanted you to feel this first. And then when you train by yourself, this is very vulnerable, because this makes you feel like you have recovered. Now you have to advance like this. This is very difficult. It feels like you have a lot of pressure. You have to overcome that, because otherwise you're moving here. So now look at the speed here. And what is this? Who knows? You're in New York, you should know. Wintertime, this is the snow plow. The snow plow, the plow itself here does not move. The wheel makes it move. Our problem is we make a move. The snow plow does not move at all. It's the truck that moves. Now you understand? It's not that you have a truck, drive up to the snow, and the snow plow moves. No, the snow plow does not move. So when we make this move, I think of you as snow. The snow plow, the whole thing is moving. It's not the plow trying to do something to you. Now you understand the analogy now?
Do it again, please.
Yeah, see here? The move is here. This never moves. Watch, okay, come in, push. See, I'm here. The problem is, let's go sideways. The problem is we all want to do this to fight.
Right.
It's just here. Because when I recover, she recovers. Now we're equal again. So remember, the idea is I only have one move, you have 500 moves. None of those will work, because you last longer. Wheels can last forever. So you can fight more. And it also changes the way you behave. And that change sets us apart from other animals. So now imagine this here, you cannot go back and forth. So this move here is like a wheel. Can you see this is a wheel turning? This is a one-pointed or two-pointed wheel. That's why I said from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock, that's a rotation. You only have 2 points. If you add another 2, that's a 4 points. It feels much smoother, then more smoother. But even if you go tung, tung, it's a wheel. It's different from this. So do this again. Try to feel this does not move. It's the wheel causing it. And the other benefit of doing that is that you can develop a lot of strength on this leg, because it has to carry your whole body. Okay, go.